Hey guys, welcome back to creativevfx.net. This time we'll be looking at creating a quick little tutorial on creating some 3D text using only After Effects. So this means no plugins, no Element 3D, no Signware, which is the integrated plugin that integrates After Effects with Cinema 4D. So we'll be creating using entirely expressions. And don't worry about the expression. If you're completely new to expression, I will highly recommend you to go watch my basic tutorials series where we also give an introduction to expression. But today's tutorial we only gonna be using pig whips. There's gonna be a little text which you can just basically copy paste in because I'm gonna put a link to that in the description. So thank you very much, guys. Let's go ahead and start this project. Let's start by creating a background. So create new solid, call this BG, hit OK. And I'm gonna give this a ramp effect. So let's make it a radial ramp. Put the int a little bit down. And also let's play with the colors. I like blue colors. You should know that by now. Okay. Yeah, just a little subtle background. We'll lock that, create a new camera, lock that. So let's go ahead and create our text. New text. Just gonna call this random just for the sake of the tutorial. And let's increase the size a little bit like so. That looks good. Okay, now we wanted to make it editable, so let's go ahead and pre-compose this. So whatever change we make inside our random comp1, whatever change we make in here is going to reflect out in the main comp instantly. Okay, so hit P for position and then alt click the position stopwatch to enable expression. So here's gonna be a little, and remember the 6, I'm also gonna put the 6 in the description below, so we can just copy paste it in. But basically we're writing in, we're declaring some variables here. We are declaring a variable called x equals, then pig whip it to x, hit enter. Of course gonna come up with an error because you didn't need to hit enter actually. That's just gonna complete the expression sentence. So y equals, and just take the pig whip to the Y. Oh, you know what? Sorry, guys. I forgot to enable the 3D switch on this layer also. So that's enabled now. So back to our expression. You can just click inside the expression and we're going to click. So because now we need the set value also. And this one we will check. Set equals the index. And the index, guys, is the index number you see here. So this whole row here, this is index number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is just going to take the index value here, which is the number 1. It's going to start from top and go down. So this is the first one it looks at. So set index, and then we say bracket x. We want to finish this sentence with x comma y comma set, and then remember set is index, so we say set times 20 and hit enter. Oh, we forgot, let me see, semicolon at the end. Let's see, semicolon here, enter. Yeah, that did it. Okay guys, and then we'll go in and add a brightness and contrast. Make sure your layer is selected, double click that, then alt click the brightness. Okay guys, so for the brightness, alt click the brightness and then write index times these parentheses minus -20, no, -10. like so. Okay. So now we have these two. So now we need a bevel, but after we have duplicated this a couple of times, so check your random comp 1, duplicate it, and as we duplicate it, look at the edges here. You can see we're getting the extrusion effect. So let's go back to random here. We could actually also play a little bit with the colors here. Random, go back to the 3D text. Yeah, look at that. Depending on how many layers you put here, you can change your value from the beginning before you start duplicating. So hit E, and then this is number set times 20. If you decrease that number, you will get, let's take the camera tool. You see, you'll get less space between each layer, so it will be more compact, but then you need to add many more layers, of course. So okay, and then for this one, for the first layer only, make sure the first layer, the top layer is selected. We wanna go and add a ramp to this one, like so. And let's see here. Let's make the black, the end of ramp blackish, and the start color close to the same color as your text color. I mean, these are just settings you can play with. There's no right or wrong here. This is just for playing with, so you need to tweak these to your own liking. Let me go up here like so. Yep, that already looks really good. Now to like knock off this this tutorial, you're just gonna add the last final thing, which is a bevel alpha, and this gonna close the deal. Look at that. There it is. Now you have some sort of a realistic 3D text. Just create it inside After Effects with only using expression and After Effects layers. So this is pretty cool that you can use this effect without buying any additional plugins, or even it's gonna take less power on your rendering because you are using After Effects only own engine and own scripting, which is the expression, which is a JavaScript language. So I would definitely say, if you can get away with it, use this for simple, smaller projects. And just remember, decrease the set index value from 20 maybe to 8, 9, 10 if you wanna much less space between these layers.